Assalamu alaikum, ninth class. Question number 5 is about ambiguous cases. The ambiguous cases occur when the two sides of a triangle and the angle opposite to one of these sides is given. In this respect, there are three cases of ambiguous triangles. I am doing part 1. You will do the next two parts yourself. Now start our work. We have AC which is equal to line segment AC which is equal to 4.2 centimeters, measurement AB is equal to 5.2 centimeters, and angle B is equal to 45 degree. Again, focusing the angle, vertex B has on the angle of 45 degrees. So I will draw AB at first. Take AB 5.2 centimeters long, line segment AB 5.2 centimeters. Now note down this step. Step number 1, take line segment AB 5.2 centimeters long. In step 2, we will draw angle of 45 degree at point B. For this purpose, first of all, we will draw a right angle at the vertex B. (60°, 120°, and then bisect the part of the arc which shows the distance of 60 to 120°. Now I have an angle of 90°. But it is not required, so I will draw it with dotted line. But remember, your dotted line must intersect the semicircle at a point. Now keep the needle of your compass at this new point and mark an arc. Again, with the 0°, mark another arc which will bisect the angle of 90° into two halves of 45 degree. So angle EBA is equal to of 45 degree. Note down this step. Number 2, draw measurement angle EBA which is equal to 45 degree with the help of compass. Step number 3. Now I have the measurement of AC which is 4.2 centimeters. Taking A as center, I can mark an arc of radius 4.2 centimeters to get point C. 4.2 centimeters. Taking A as center, mark an arc to cut ray BE at a point. You see here the arc will cut ray BE at 2 points. It means two triangles can be formed as given in the question. Join A to new point C. You see, I am using two colors so that you can easily clearly understand the formation of triangle. CAB is the required triangle. Step number 3 was with center A and radius 4.2 centimeters, comma, mark an arc which cuts ray BE at 2 points, points C and C complement. C and C complement. I will draw the second line A to C dash, a C complement with dotted line. Join. Step number 4, join A to C and C complement. Now two triangles are formed. It means triangle ABC and triangle ABC complement are formed. Two parts of this question you have to do yourself. Allah Hafiz till tomorrow.